Hey YouTube foodies! Welcome back to another sizzling episode of Stylized Kitchen Modeling Madness. Get ready to spice up your design game as we cook up some serious style in the kitchen. So, don your creative aprons, hit that subscribe button, and let's whip up some fabulous ideas. This spatula, crafted using box modeling with a dash of bridge tool. Simple, effective, and it gets the job done in style. Check out this cooking pot right here. We've crafted it from cylinders, giving it that sleek shape. Then, we worked some extrusion magic and topped it off with a smoothing touch. It's like sculpting with pixels. Inside this humble mug lies a world of wonder. We've conjured up a miniature ocean, using a plain object with the ocean modifier. It's like having your own liquid adventure in a coffee cup. Time to light it up, my creative comrades. We've got a lighting extravaganza in store for you. Think of our top light as the superstar, Decide Master Light as the trusty sidekick, Fill Light as the mood setter, and Kicker Lights as the surprise party guests. Let's take a sneak peek at my shader editor, shall we? For this scene, we're keeping it simple yet spectacular with our materials. No need for complicated jargon or mind-bending nodes. We're all about achieving that 3D magic with straightforward, elegant shaders. You can either go the easy route with a simple metallic slider, and a touch of dirt plugged into the roughness, or keep it clean and sleek without any image textures. It's all about your artistic flavor. And there you have it, my amazing 3D cookers. With just a handful of simple shapes, a palette of vibrant colors, and our trusty lights, we've whipped up a delectable 3D dinner feast that's sure to impress our family and loved ones. It's proof that creativity knows no bounds, and together, we've cooked up something truly mouth-watering in the world of 3D art. So, my fellow creative explorers, stay tuned for more fantastic videos, tricks, and tips on the horizon, and, of course, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and share the 3D love. Until next time, keep those creative fires burning.